So, welcome back students, once again welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School Hiswa. Friends, this is mathematics lecture. In this video session we will discuss some questions of exercise 13D. This is class 6, chapter number 13, and the chapter name is angles and their measurement. So friends, this exercise 13D is the very simple, friends, consisting of the previous concept, based on previous concept and based on the previous point, and all questions are objective, friends. One question has 4 options. Now look at, friends. Now here, get started. Question number 1 says, where does the vertex of an angle lie? Okay friends, कह रहा है कि where does vertex of an angle lie? Look at, friends, first we have to perform the angles, friends. Now the solution. Now let us perform the angles, friends. Angles when two rays intersect at a point, friends. This is one ray and the another ray. Look at the, friends, this is suppose O, this is A and B. So there are two rays, OA and OB. But one thing is important, friends. This point O, this is called the vertex, friends. So this vertex O is both the this vertex O is the common to both the ray OA and OB as well. So where does the vertex of an angle? So what about this, friends? This vertex lies on the angle, friends. So this vertex lies on the angle. So the correct option is C, on the angle. On the, friends, angle. Okay, now option number C is correct. Now see, friends, second number question says, the figure formed by two rays with the same initial point is called. Now suppose, friends, this is the initial point. Okay, so this is one ray, and now the another ray, friends, this is suppose another ray. So what about the figure, friends? So this is nothing but this is called the an angle, friends. So this is what figure? This is angle, an angle. So the correct option C is the correct option. Now see, friends, third number 12 number question, because third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 all questions are similar based on previous types of angles that we have learned in the previous last video lecture. Now see, friends, 12 number, 3 by 2 right angles is what? 3 by 2, write down, friends. Right angle means, friends, 90 degree. So this is 2 and this is 40 times I will get cancelled. Now 5 3 ja 15, 1 is balance. This is 35 degree, 135 degree. This is answer. Now see the next question number 13, which is last question. Very simple, friends. First, now we are going to make a figure. Then if you get the figure, then you can easily find out the angles. What the angles in between two spokes. Now see, friends, first question number 13. First, try to understand the question. If there are 36 spokes in a bicycle wheel, then the angle between a pair of adjacent spokes. Now friends, look at the, friends, there is a wheel. Okay, this is, friends, wheel. That means this is wheel. And how many spokes, friends? 36. Look at, friends, this is 36 spoke. Now see, friends, we are drawing this spoke, friends. Okay, friends, have a look. How many spokes, friends? There are 36 spokes. Now let us count, friends, how many spokes. Count from here. This is 1 2. So this is 1, friends. This is 2 spokes. This is 3 4 5 6 7. This is 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. Look at, friends, we did not draw the 36 spokes, friends. With this here, friends, we drawn the 14 spokes. This looks like the wheels, friends, and this is bicycles. Now here, friends, there are 14 spokes. How many adjacent angles means pair of adjacent spokes. That means pair of adjacent angles. This is friends, this pair angles 1, here is the 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Here friends, one thing is very important. See friends, there are 14 spokes, so the total number of angles, total angles friends, in between two pairs, in between two spokes friends, 14. So we can say friends, if there are 36 spokes, then how many angles are formed in the wheels friends? There are 36 angles. There are 36, 1, 1, 2, and each angle is friends consider this equals. Okay, if find friends the each pair of angles is, look at friends, let each angles between a pair of adjacent, this is the pair of adjacent angles friend, pairs of adjacent spokes, this is pair of adjacent spokes, these two angles friends, pair of spokes. So all angles are constant, means we can say that the gap in between two spokes friends, these are equals. Now friends, if we, and the one complete angle friends, this is one complete angle is equal to 360 degree. If we divide friends, if we divide 36, if we divide 360 by 36, then we will get friends this angle, means we will get the angle between a pair of adjacent spoke. So the angle is 10 degree, 10 degree, 10 degree. Okay, or either friends, let each angle between a pair of adjacent spokes is equal to x friends, then the total angle friends, total angles means complete angle, 36 multiplied by x. Why friends? If we draw the 36 spokes, means we will get the total number of angles in between pair of adjacent spokes means 36. So each angle is considered the x. So x multiplied by 36 means friends total complete angle. Now friends, the one complete, this is also complete angle friends, and we know that the friends complete angle is equal to becomes friends 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 divided by 36. Now friends, 36 1 is 36, 1 times 0. So this is 10 degree. So 10 degree is your answer friends. I hope friends you will understand, you will grasp now your homework friends, to complete the objective questions means exercise 30D. This is your homework. Exercise 13D to complete. Have a nice day.